All right, everyone, we'll do this really quick. So, constructivism, different from liberal institutionalism, all those are correct. I want you to understand they're dealing with identity, meaning, ontology of reality, where the others are dealing with material. That crazy Donald Duck show how states socially construct enemies. See, even someone as horrible as the Nazis, we still had to socially construct their evilness, although they were evil, obviously, propaganda works. We'll get into that. But we did not want to go to war at the time, looking at it from a US perspective. This is the weapon systems, Canada versus Cuba. Constructivism, obviously, that's what we're dealing with. Now, the neo-realists believe in a balance of power. So that's what we're going to see in the movie. See how the balance of power could work, but it doesn't. Ukraine's nuclear capability, so by getting rid of that, it gave kind of the Russians the green light, according to Mersheimer, to a certain degree, to invade. This is the babushka. I love her. She's crying, calling anti-Russian forces fascist. That's constructivism. She has a different meaning of the situation. And this battle of the Ukraine kind of challenged the concept of the nation state since people are pulling in different directions. It's not as simple to say, well, the Ukrainians are all united. They're not. There is a huge Russian speaking and Russian population there with the Russian identity. So, particularly in the East. So, is this the Ukraine or any state just one solid nation state? No, there are many nations in different states. Thanks for listening, and we're going to see the movie soon. Take care, everyone.